Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a stuck trigger on your Dyson V10, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to dirt or debris getting lodged in the mechanism, or from wear and tear over time. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage or even complete failure of the trigger, making your vacuum unusable. To resolve this issue, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some compressed air, and a soft cloth to clean the components. First, ensure your Dyson V10 is turned off and unplugged. Begin by locating the screws that hold the trigger mechanism in place, which are usually found just beneath the trigger itself. Using your small Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, making sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this might damage the casing. Next, locate the trigger assembly. It is typically positioned near the front of the device, and you should be able to see the mechanism clearly now. If you notice any debris or dirt, use the compressed air to blow it away, ensuring the area is clean. If the trigger itself appears damaged, carefully disconnect any wires attached to it. Pay close attention to the type of screws used, as they may vary in size. When removing the trigger, apply a gentle but steady force to avoid damaging nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old trigger is removed, take your new trigger and position it correctly in the assembly. Reconnect any wires you had previously disconnected, ensuring they are secure. Now, close the casing carefully, making sure not to pinch any wires in the process. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly to ensure the assembly is secure. Finally, test the trigger by turning on your Dyson V10. If it functions smoothly, you have successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the trigger area and avoid using the vacuum in excessively dusty environments. It's also a good idea to check the trigger mechanism periodically for any signs of wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.